Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Greenpark, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to meet all your scanning needs. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers the best 3D scanning services in the area. Whether you need to scan objects for architectural purposes, product design, or even for artistic projects, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their team of skilled professionals ensures that every scan is accurate, detailed, and of the highest quality. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in their state-of-the-art equipment that allows them to capture every intricate detail of the object being scanned. Whether it is a small item or a large structure, their 3D scanning services can handle it all. From capturing the dimensions to capturing the texture and colors, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that every aspect of the object is accurately represented in the final scan. This attention to detail is what sets them apart from other scanning service providers in the market. One of the advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your 3D scanning needs is their quick turnaround time. They understand that time is of the essence for their clients, so they strive to deliver the scanned files promptly. Whether you need the scans for a presentation, a product prototype, or any other purpose, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd ensures that you receive them in a timely manner, without compromising on quality. Moreover, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers competitive pricing for their 3D scanning services. They believe that high-quality scanning should be accessible to everyone, regardless of budget constraints. That is why they offer affordable pricing options without compromising on the quality of their work. So, whether you are a small business owner or a large corporation, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a scanning package that suits your needs and budget. Are you looking for the best 3D scanning services in Greenpark, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you perceive scanning technology. With their cutting-edge equipment and expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers unparalleled 3D scanning services that will leave you amazed. Imagine being able to capture every intricate detail of an object and convert it into a 3D model that can be replicated or modified as per your requirements. That's exactly what Scon Design India Pvt Ltd brings to the table. Their advanced scanning technology allows them to capture even the most complex geometries with precision and accuracy. Whether it's a small part or a large structure, their 3D scanning services can handle it all. One of the standout features of Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their commitment to quality. They understand the importance of delivering accurate and reliable results to their clients. That's why they have invested in state-of-the-art scanning equipment that ensures the highest level of precision. With their expertise in 3D scanning, they can help you achieve your goals, whether it's reverse engineering, quality